Want to know one of the biggest causes of relationship breakdown? Not cheating, not incompatibility, resentment. Because resentment doesn't explode, it accumulates. Resentment is when happens when you keep saying yes, but inside you mean no. You gave, you sacrifice, you adjust, you overfunction, and you don't say anything. And at first, it feels like love or responsibility or being the bigger person. But over time, it turns into, I do more than you. I care more than you. I give more than I receive. In romantic relationships, resentment is often unprocessed anger that never had a voice. It's anger that was swallowed, boundaries that were never set, expectations that were never communicated. And sometimes, resentment is jealousy in disguise. You feel less chosen, less valued, less prioritized. Here's the hard truth. Resentment usually isn't about one big betrayal. It's about small imbalances, repeated over time. Healthy resentment says something feels unfair. Unhealthy resentment says, I'm keeping a score. If you ignore it, resentment turns into distance, sarcasm, coldness, contempt. So instead of blaming the other person immediately, ask, where did I betray myself? What boundary did I avoid setting? What need did I expect them to read my mind about? Resentment isn't drama, it's data. If you address it early, you can fix the imbalances before it becomes disconnection.